Hello everybody, this is Max Farrow from DexFXCopy.com, and in this video I want to talk to you about our pricing, because it's always about the money. The setup fee that we have may change a little bit from what you see down below, or if I were to try to put it in this video, we have a early bird special that we're running in the beginning of the year and all this stuff. So if you're watching this video now, our setup fee may have changed a little bit, either more expensive or less expensive. What you get from the setup fee itself is the software that we use to copy the trades to your MT4 called an Expert Advisor. This piece of software is very easy to install, but we also have the availability to install it for you if need be. We also provide you the training to follow the software safely, which means that there's different variables that we can have you set if you're, depending on how big your account is, if you want to use the same amount of lots we do, called a multiplier of 1-to-1, or if you want to use one of our signal provider systems that will give you just the minimal amount of lots or the maximum amount of lots. Really up to you. They're also providing of the consults that will give you to set you up on the right path. That's right. People like myself that are senior traders with the company will talk to you about your goals, what you want to be doing with trading, all that kind of good stuff. These are very expensive tools that we're going to be giving you within that setup fee. Now, the other thing, and finally, is the platforms to track your success in our members area on DexFXCopy.com. This is really important because it's going to lead into our next part of the process, and that is the cost per month. Now, it's an extremely unique process that I'm sure that you've never seen anywhere. Okay, and I'm about to show you this within our system. Our platform will track the progress of the trades copied, and it will tell us exactly the amount of pips and profit won. And this is huge because no matter what you do in your broker, our system will still track what we have done for you. We will then calculate that percentage at the end of the month, and it will never be more than 20%. I can guarantee you that. It might be a little bit lower for some because you're doing more things for us, or there might be special programs we're running. And then we'll send you an invoice. Yeah, that's right. So no matter how much and how little you make, you'll never pay anything unless you are in the positive. I know that's kind of scary, isn't it? For example, so if you start with us and you start following the trades, and let's just say it produces an even round number so I can calculate it easy, $1,000 for you for the month. We calculate that amount and times it by 20%. This would produce an invoice for about $200 that you would pay within 48 hours. I know, if you don't pay within 48 hours, we got to shut the system off because, again, it is about making money. If you have a lower balance or don't make as much that month, say only $500, then we still calculate the same amount at 20% and send you an invoice, but this time for $100. And there are no minimums. That's right, there's no minimums. We don't have minimums because we believe that even if you only make $1, it's still worth it for you to be able to be a part of the system. What happens if I didn't make anything? That's a big question a lot of people ask. This could happen if you just started out, maybe you were using Indembo for 3/4 of the month, and maybe, let's just say you broke even or you had a couple trades go against you at the last part of the month. Whatever it is, okay? A negative or no profit produces no invoice. This ensures that we are sincerely working for you and us. Now, we always tell you, you got to test, grab the data. But you get some people who want to test forever, right? And we are here about making money. We want only people that are advancing and want to make money. So you will receive 1 month of demo to prove the system works and that everything's connected properly. Some clients only use it for about a week to make sure they got everything on, and they look at all of our history on the other systems that we provide. If you want more time for the demo and the cost, it is the same amount cost of the setup fee. So if whatever the setup fee is down there, if you want another month of demo, that's what you would have to pay, of course, because we are here to make money for our clients so we can build bigger and better things within this system. So just keep that in mind. This prevents stagnant traders in the system because our servers take a lot of resources to be able to run this system. Now, finally, we have searched for companies that do this and have found none. We want you to be successful and prove this by our willingness that we want you only to pay us if you make money. Most companies that offer these services have a conflict of interest because they are in bed with the broker you are trading on. We are not and never will be. We don't receive affiliates. We don't get kickbacks. We have no conflict of interest. In fact, our interests are served by yours to be profitable. We want your success so we can be successful too. Now, I want you to click the button down below to get started, and I hope to see you inside. I'm Max Farrell. This is DexFXCopy.com, and as always, trade well.